166 years in history for a museum right in the heart of Chicago. They are showing off a brand new exhibit highlighting urban sustainability and environmental conservatism for the entire nation.
Yeah, and it looks beautiful too. It's a unique, larger than life display, and Kelsey Kernstein was lucky enough to get a sneak peek.
On a mission to educate people on how to take care of the planet, the Peggy Notabar Nature Museum opened its doors to a new sustainability center in the heart of Chicago. The interactive exhibit gives visitors a chance to learn hands-on the key pillars of sustainability: food, water, energy, and the economy.
I think this is a space where people can come in from all over the world to really connect with sustainability. And in addition to learning about these topics, they'll also have a chance to learn about the successes that are happening right here in Chicago.
At its core is a 7-foot-tall globe with 360-degree LED lighting that helps put things into perspective.
This is the second largest digital sphere in Northern America that we know of. When we look at astronauts and they go to space, one of the first things they say is seeing the Earth from that perspective changes everything. So for people to be able to walk around this and see the Earth being interacted with, seeing how weather patterns and aerosols and even things like hurricanes affect all of us, whether we believe it or not, gives people just a different perspective that's hard to get any other way.
Anything that you could see on a flat screen can be programmed into the globe, including shifting patterns and even tracking severe weather.
The Sustainability Center is critically important because so many people in Chicago feel overwhelmed when it comes to topics of sustainability or climate change. This is a space that can really help demystify those topics and in addition provide average everyday citizens a chance to make a meaningful difference in their communities.
Through its educational programs and resources, the exhibit hopes to inspire visitors to reduce their carbon footprint with the very ambitious goal of reducing 4,000 metric tons of carbon emissions in the next 5 years.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.